What is the biggest problem students, writers, and researchers face? You guessed it right, it's generating content and translating text between different languages. Let me tell you about a tool that can help you solve these problems and more. Liner AI is a free AI tool that can help you generate content, translate text, paraphrase text, and curate content from the web. It is a powerful tool that can be used by people of all skill levels. Using Liner is super easy and simple. First, sign up with Google. Once you have created your account, Liner will train a machine learning model for you. Once the model is trained, you can download it and deploy it in your own application. Students. Liner AI can help students with their research papers, essays, and other assignments. It can also help them to learn new languages and translate text. Writers. Liner AI can help writers with their blogs, articles, and other writing projects. It can also help them to generate new ideas and to paraphrase their work. Researchers. Liner AI can help researchers with their data analysis and literature reviews. It can also help them to generate hypotheses and to write research papers. Liner AI is a powerful tool that can be used by students, writers, and researchers to solve a variety of problems. It is a free and easy-to-use tool that can help you to save time and energy. If you are a student, writer, or researcher, I encourage you to try Liner AI today. It is a powerful tool that can help you to be more productive and efficient. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI tools and technology.